Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I was watching the news Friday, July 31st, and they mentioned that the International Space Station was going to fly over at a really good viewing angle, high up in the sky, and it was going to be clear skies. So I never heard them mention that before, so I did a quick Google, and there's actually, NASA has a website, spotthestation.nasa.gov, and you put in your location. I'm in the Boston area, and it tells you the dates and the viewing angle that will appear in the sky in your area, visible time, and then where it appears, what angle it appears on the horizon, and what angle it disappears on the horizon. So I was able to capture it. I found it. It was pretty bright, and at first I mistook a plane that was flying over that had a flashing red beacon, and that was for like a second. It happened pretty quickly, and I realized, International Space Station doesn't need a red flashing beacon. It's not like you can maneuver out of the way of something that was heading toward you that quickly. So it just so happened that the International Space Station cut right across the plane I was initially looking at, the path, and it was pretty bright. So I have this Sony HandyCam with the side LCD, which is really difficult to track something. It's a lot easier if you have the eyepiece, where the image goes right into your eye. The coordination is a lot easier. I've tried to track like a hawk in the sky with this, and it's just impossible to get it into the center of the camera, and then forget about even zooming in, because any slightest motion and you're out of the field of view, the object you're trying to track. So I was surprised I was able to keep my hand steady enough, but when I went to zoom, it was just a white blur. When I downloaded the video into the video editing software, it wasn't really anything interesting. So I thought that was it, and then I'm looking at the schedule again, and Sunday, today, August 2nd, it's going to be visible again, and even at a better angle at 62 degrees maximum angle in the sky at 9:17 again for 6 minutes, the amount of time. So I know where to look now, so I'm a little bit more prepared. I found there was a lux setting that I need to change on the view cam. Found that in the menu that you set for recording at night. So hopefully that will allow me to get a nice crisp image, and if I'm able to really zoom in on this, get some magnification, we can make out the International Space Station with the Sony HandyCam. I'll find out once I download the video into the software, and if I post the video, then it was successful. So that's the plan. Make sure I don't forget and miss that. And it says here, Monday it's going to be at 70 degrees. And that's at 8:25. So I don't know how dark it is at 8:25. And it's only going to be 5 minutes. But 70. So that's even a chance there. So maybe as I gain some experience, I get better images of this thing with the Sony HandyCam. Find out. Okay, so Verizon and the internet are off by a couple of minutes, so I don't know what's going on there. Verizon's either 2 minutes fast or 2 minutes slow. Should appear by 9:17. Looks like an amoeba.